Hello and welcome to my channel. This is a video showing the equipment that I used on my 6 days on the Camino de Santiago, the Portuguese route in October 2023. Emergency headlights and safety kit, battery chargers and adapters, external battery banks for my GoPro and my phone, money and travel documents, extra pair of glasses, long pants, underwear and socks, 4 each, 3 long sleeve shirts, 3 t-shirts, long sleeve pajamas, waterproof jacket, fleece for warmth, a sun hat and a buff, and I also bought a poncho in Spain. Because of the rainy season in October, I have packed individual items in Ziplocs to protect them from any water. The backpack is a waterproof backpack, 35 liters. All my clothing was quick dry moisture weakening, including my pants. I have also packed a pair of Birkenstock slippers. The shoes that I chose are a pair of trail running shoes, quick dry, with a collapsible heel. The backpack was very compact, perfectly suited for cabin luggage, and it also had a detachable 5-liter day pack that can be packed separately. This is how my backpack looked during the hike. Buen camino. Thank you for watching.